She died while giving birth to her, and she called her Udo.
Udo, my child eye has been moving round and moving in one direction. Should I apply some in her eyes?
No, the child will be made whole. Don't put anything in her eyes. That may blind your child.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm grateful.
Odo? So it's you. I have told you time with that number. That whenever I come to hunt and you come to get herbs and leaves, that you should always be behind me, not in my front. Yeah? Do you know how much use this thing to cut off your head?
Shoot me. Why?
I thought it was an antelope I saw. Let me see. And you've gotten enough now. Let us go home and then you can use this one on any sick person.
No, I haven't gotten some leaf and herbs for snake bite and pie.
We can get those ones anywhere here now. Anywhere along the road.
Searching for leaves and herbs is beyond natural, and this is the dedicated place that I'm looking for my herbs.
Hey, dedicated place. So apart from here, you can't get the. I suggest we go home so that I will not cause any trouble. They will say I killed my own child because. Anyway, I'm going. Oh. When you finish, you start coming back. But don't stay too long, oh.
Hey, Papa.
Don't stay too long.
Hey, Papa.
Hey. Hmm. Do you remember that woman you gave some herbs to give to her child that was having convulsion? I met her while I was coming back. She was testifying. She said immediately she administered that medication on her child, the convulsion stopped. And when she asked what she would pay, I told her not to bother, that I will take care of it.
Papa, I think it's better we tell people the medication I give is free. This gift of healing was given to me freely, and freely I am giving medications to people.
My daughter, see, I promise that from today, I'll hold my peace. In fact, I will tie my tongue in silence. I will only be grateful to the gods who gave my daughter this supernatural gift of healing. I will ever be grateful.
Papa, thank you, Papa. Thanks to the nature that gave away the supernatural manifest.
In fact, nobody can beat that particular manifestation in this village and beyond. Yours is the best. Keep it up. I'm proud of you. What is this one for?
For File and snake bite.
File and snake bite. Hey! Udo, please, come on. Come and help. Come and help. Oh.
What happened and who is he?
His name is Okon. You see, one poor helpless woman brought him all the way from 2 villages away from our own. And when his situation became so difficult, I had to look for a way to bring him.
Then you should have waited for me to return than bringing him today.
Yeah, my daughter. See, what matters is that he's here already. Eh? See, our people used to say that whosoever that ignores his or her sickness, the healer and the gods that heal will also ignore the person. And anybody that does not know the cause of his sickness is already wrestling with the dead. He's wrestling with the dead already. And I'm sure the death is about to defeat him. Please help.
They are holding him.
They. Hey. Who?
Take him up.
Is that?
Young man, get up, go home. Take 7 alligator pepper in your palm, wave it round your neck 7 times, and throw it behind you.
Did you hear? 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Put it in your palm. Wave it around your neck 7 times. Don't fail. 7 times. Then you throw it behind, not in front, behind you. My daughter, please, are you coming now with us? Please, even if you are not coming now, please make sure you come home on time. Oh. I've already made available roasted cocoyam.
Okay, Papa.
My compassion for the sick will always make me to tell you to hasten up. Please, hasten up. Those sick people are waiting for you.
You see, daughter, just as your medicine never failed to cure the sickness or diseases, it's the same way I will not fail eating the head for granted. Always.
Father, I believe it is our destiny. And our determination, hard work, and sincerity has always kept us on the list as the best. But father, you still haven't said much about my late mother.
Mother,
Yes, father.
it's okay. But that will be for the next day, not today. I have to be on my way. Take care of yourself, eh?
Okay, father. I'll be with you shortly.
Alright.
Father,
Yeah.
you still haven't said much about my mother to me. Or are you waiting until you're aged?
Your mother. She was such a hard-working woman. So supportive. May her soul rest in peace. And you see, she loved eating meat hunted by her beloved husband.
No wonder. No wonder I love eating bushmeat hunted by you, my humble father.
And you see, one other thing I see in you, the way you twist your mouth when you're eating the meat. Exactly. I see her in you.
Father.
Every of your action, it reflects her memories and everything about her.
Oh, father. So, what about my bed?
Your bed.
Very sweet. Very sweet. Well, antelopes. Uh, is there any problem?
This pregnancy is 2 months beyond the expected time.
My beloved wife. I am worried too. See, I'm worried every night and day. By now we should be with our newborn baby. But
You see, that was it. So I struggled to raise you up alone.
So what about remarrying? You never thought of remarrying?
No. Just for the love I have for your mother, my beloved wife. I dedicated my life to her. There was no need of getting married any longer.
Thank you. Thank you for all you do. The gods will bless you. They will keep blessing you with good health and long life.
It's okay. It's okay.
I cannot flex my arms and my legs, just as I was told. If I come here, I will be healed. Odo, thank you so much.
Maybe God.
Not even up to a day. You are doing well. But your father shouldn't be living in this condition.
Sickness is still fast. I believe every sickness has its cause and effect. He will get well soon.
What will it cost?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. My desire is to see everyone living. So just go home. But come back later this evening so I can prepare some herbs for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Odo. Thank you.
Go well. Papa. 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 Attend me. Attend me. Demi! Demi, please. Open your eyes. Mama! Ah! Demi!
There is nothing more than her urinating on the mat every night. Even though you call her out to go and urinate outside, she will still urinate on the mat. Not until I was directed to one old woman who roasted a lizard and gave to her to eat. When we got home, the stomach pain kept on increasing.
Did the bedwetting stop?
Except the stomach pains keep on increasing.
So, why don't you take her to the old woman and complain?
I don't go back.
No, even me, I'm scared though. Do you know this time around what she will give to her? Whether she will give her a live tortoise to swallow. I'm scared. Sorry.
Okay, I'm coming. Sit up and sit more. Take this, just drink it, okay? You'll be fine. Open your mouth, just take small. Let her rest a little, and then you can take her.
I thought you throw away the pot and run back to the stream. I will let me help you. Drop the other one. Drop. Let me
Etem,
Imami.
hope you're not among those mischievous young men who hide in the bush so that they can peep at young maidens taking their birth.
May the gods forbid that. How can I, Etem Okonefyong, peep at my future wife when I know I
Wake up from your slumber.
Odo.
Are you sure?
Put it on my shoulder. You know that's how real men.
Are you okay?
Let's go. I can't peep at you now.
So what were you doing in the bush?
I know I will have it to myself. Oh.
I said you should wake up from your slumber.
I'm not.
Okay. Thank you very much for your help. I'll be going to this direction. I want to go and get some leaves and herbs so that we can.
Okay. You want to carry this heavy pot of water to go in there to get leaves?
No, I'll hide it from you. I'll hide it.
But we can still find the leaves around here.
No. There's a place I go to get leaves and herbs. It's more like a yeah. I'll be good.
Let's go.
Okay,
Let's go.
you want to go with me?
Let's go.
Thank you.
Ima.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Don't worry, I'm with you.
Ethan, stop. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. None of these leaves smells nice.
Ethan, stop it. They all smell good. And they're not bitter.
I know. I know. Of course, you're sweet. Everything about you is also good.
Ethan, just stop.
But
there is something I would like to show you.
what is it?
Now should I leave and see what will happen to you?
Odo, why?
What?
What offense did I commit that you're asking me to chew a leaf I know will be bitter?
Etim, I told you none of these leaves is bitter. They are medicinal. Just chew it, sir. Do as I have said.
Anyways, I will do just as you've said. If I die by your execution, I know I died a good death.
And just do as I have said.
Oh.
Oh. I think it's not bitter.
Oh no! Oh no!
I told you! The herbs are medicinal! Oh! Ekem, please take it easy. And make sure you clean very well. You know you're still going to carry the pot of water.
Come in now.
How do you feel though?
How do I feel? I feel like a pregnant woman who has been in labor since morning. Who has just
I told you. I feel it was What are you looking for? That's just it. You want to guess? What? Edim.
Yeah?
Why are you putting this there?
I want to give this to my mother's pregnant goat who has been in labor since morning. That goat, she must deliver.
Edim, that leaf is not for animals, that's for humans.
No.
Edim, drop the leaf, I will give you the one for
Edim,
you will get.
don't worry, go.
Just drop it.
Sorry. Ododimbo ya ipong ikorom ke?
Take it easy, I'll just wait.
Is this what you herbalists, or what do I call you? And that old woman, she gave my daughter a poisonous lizard to eat. After 3 days, you came with your own poison, which I don't even know. If anything happens to my child, parts of her body will be buried in your father's compound, and some parts will be buried in that wicked old woman's compound.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? We waited for you in your compound since before we got the information that you went to fetch water in the stream. I couldn't wait. I have to take action before she dies.
What is the problem here?
Look at my child. I took her for treatment. She treated her. The stomach pain stopped. But she could not defecate, no matter how she tried.
Odo, it seems the potency of your medicine is no more effective.
Should I give her some of the leaves, or I should just give all to her to take us?
Let me have it. Take. Just chew it.
So what next?
Etem, please take the pot of water to my house. I have to stay here and see the result of the effort.
Odo, I mean young Pongfi.
Okay, Young.
Are you sure you'll be fine without me?
Just go.
Do you want me? Oh! It's moko no ifyong. How did it go? Odo? Odo? Wait! Odo, talk to me now.
Have I gone wrong? Oh! Aye! Oh! Aye! If you're what What have I done wrong? Oh, oh, et me yere tese yenu karo. Oh, ay, et me tese yenu karo. Mbana mi kon bongorat. Boraro. Ay. Kutuk madu dodge.
Damo kure fakam ke totot kusen.
See that little thing now? I thought it was a boy. See the load it has done to. See the load, I'm dying. Sorry. Come on. When is she coming? When is she coming?
Don't worry, she's coming, eh?
When is she coming?
Sorry. Nam.
Are you stupid? No! I'm dying.
It's okay, you'll be fine. It's okay. Odo, my late brother's daughter. Please, do not clean one foot. Please do not ignore this young man with this pain. I beg of you, please. Do not. Please.
Uncle, let him go home. I'll visit him when I get the medications for his illness.
Please, when will that be? I'm seriously in pain. Odo, I'm dying.
Okay, I now understand. Is it because he's a man and where the sickness is very delicate? I will take the medicine and then apply it where necessary. I beg, please, just please, I beg of you.
You will not understand, Uncle. Go home. I'll visit him when I get the
Odo, Mongba! I'm dying!
Wait.
I'm dying! Odo, Mongba! Uncle, I'm dying!
You say so, I'll take him back. Thank you very much. Best uncle. Best uncle, you didn't uncle for best uncle. Move. Gently.
Your consistent refusal to administer medication to people when they need help will make people devalue you, Odo. This is your destiny and you know.
It's not. If it was, it wouldn't have faded away like withered flowers. Heaven. I watched my father die of an illness my medicine could not cure. And recently, I watch people criticize the efforts I put in trying to make them live in good health. Then, the gift is no more. The healing is gone.
But you still remain the best anyone can run to in this neighborhood. You are the best, Odo.
Even the world can do without the best.
Odo, it seems the potency of your medicine is no more effective.
What? What is it?
It's of no use.
Odo, diabetes pending. Wait! She's here. Udo. Udo, what is going on? All these people have been waiting for you. Please. Start treatment with Effiong, the one with the hernia. Remember you promised to go to his house. The man is dying with pain. Please. Udo, wait, Udo. Odo, I'm calling you, come back here! What is all this? What is happening to Odo? Why is she behaving like this? I wish I can treat you people myself. But I can't at this point. I can't. I don't have the power. She's the only one. And you're nobody there. That's not actually answered me. Why is she behaving like this?
Are you not afraid to be left here alone in this bush?
I don't know. Not when people are dying. Not when people are dying of health issues that I know you can treat.
Please, you have to come with me to avert unnecessary death occurrence. But please.
Death has to occur. It is a natural occurrence.
Although people are talking negatively about it. And some are even saying that you're using your witchcraft powers to making them believe that your medicines are okay and subjecting them to death. Where can we go?
Etubo masukwo. Etubo masukwo. Etubo masukwo. What is going on? What is the problem? Although he is nowhere to be found, and there are a lot of sick persons out there. What is it?
But I've already announced that there's no need for them to wait for Odo. For the past 4 days now, Odo is nowhere to be found. In as much as I understand their feelings, their pains, there's no need still waiting for Odo here. But there is nothing I can do. There's no need still keeping them there. So go and repeat what I said, that they should all leave and go and find a new way to cure their ailments. Go, tell them.
Let's go.
Let's go.
They say you should go. You are still saying bye. 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 Yeah. Huh? Bye. Yeah. Do you know how things and people change? Although my late brother's daughter, who has been the pride of the family, she's the one making us scratch our eyes in shame.
The worst part is that she has refused to come back home. She has been in the bush for the past 2 days.
The bush? Where?
Somewhere. You know, I was privileged to meet her the other time. Me,
Item, I'm tired of looking for Odo here and there. You told me, where is she?
She used to be here.
Used to be here. Used to. Then where is she?
I don't understand. Hakem. Who knows what could have even happened to her?
Look, let me tell you. Item, let me tell you. And next time you are not sure of anything, don't get me involved. Don't you ever get me. You have been roaming the entire bush.
She used to. Yeah, she sits here. I did take it him now. Odo! Odo!
The item, I'm going back. I'm not in for all this nonsense.
She was here. She used to be here.
I said I'm not in, I'm gone.
Odo! Odo!
with what he wants to do. Who is this that wants to adulterate our palm wine? Who are you? Your story seems to be sympathetic, but you got it wrong somewhere along the line.
How?
Nature has a way of pushing someone forward. It comes in diverse ways. You must be wise to identify those turning points that disguises themselves as tunnels.
Odo, it seems the potency of your medicine is no more effective.
Don't tell me you are drunk. You haven't finished one cup yet.
No, I'm not.
That's my father. Papa, welcome. When we get there, we'll talk more about it, okay?
You mean I should accompany you to your house?
Yes. When we get there, we'll talk more. This is my dwelling place. Let's sit for me. Sit. Let me bring food for you. In fact, for us, I am equally hungry.
Thank you. You can drop this.
You are welcome once again.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're such a nice person. Unlike what my instinct told me about you when we first met.
You're a nice person too. You're welcome any day, anytime. This is where I stay with my father. We stay here temporarily because of my father wine happening, which I also contribute by treating it with herbs and leaves that can prevent any form of sickness if anyone takes it. That is why my father's wine is the best. within the village and out there.
Good to know. This is really interesting.
Thank you. Let's eat. See that place over there?
Yes. Yes.
It can cure all form of eye defects. You will combine it with the first one I showed you when we're coming. Yes. It can cure sicknesses relating to blindness or partial blindness. They are not hidden in texts. I can teach them to you to your desired level. There is no place only dedicated to healing herbs and leaves in the world.
So, I know this leaf. I once used it to cure arthritis. Yes, this is it.
But one thing you have to know is what certain leaf cures, and another is what to combine it with to cure several other sicknesses. Don't doubt and don't be discouraged by what people say or any circumstances in the past. You are the truth.
Thank you.
Wow, she's back. I thought people say she was devoured by a wild animal in the forest of Oriok.
And some people said she dug her grave before she committed suicide and used her witchcraft power to cover her grave.
You know what? My greatest happiness is that she's back. I'm going to tell her whatever things people said about her. She's back, she's strong and courageous.
Please, don't tell her I said so. Please.
Why are you bothered?
Please, I wasn't the one who said that.
If you weren't the one, why are you bothered? Excuse me.
I wasn't the one.
That is, I don't know what to do, but I think there is something I am thinking of that will make everything the way it should be.
I am so happy that your niece, Odo, has returned to this village.
I saw her yesterday now.
That's not even... The most interesting part is that now that she has returned, I am even more happier that she can now administer medication to the sick.
Oh, is that the only thing you know about what she has come to do?
Is there more?
More and more. You know, she said that every sick person recovery is guaranteed. That is, every sick person in the village, their recovery is guaranteed.
That is impressive.
Yes, and she also said, let me remember what she said. She said that she has actually fought her fears and discouragement.
Are you serious?
Are you serious? The one that break the camel's back, she said, and she is now the chosen one! Oh, what is it? What is the problem with you? What is it? Are you breathing like a castrated baboon? What? Talk. Good news. Good news? Good news. Stand now. Why are you behaving like this? Stand. Are you not no more a man?
Your wife have given birth to a bouncing baby boy.
My wife? Wait. Bouncing baby boy.
Bouncing baby boy.
Wait. But this is barely 7 months, and she has 2 months to go. Then how could that be possible? So where is she? Please, let's find out. Go.
Can that be possible? What could the child be rushing to the world to do? Couldn't he have waited for at least another 2 months to be more stronger, to be matured? Although this is escape from the womb, I'm telling you.
No. There is no mystery here. I believe there are plans and arrangements made already by the gods for the child.
Plans and arrangements?
Yes.
For the child, by the gods?
Eyo.
What is it?
Oh, what is it now? Your uncle's newly born child is convulsing. Your uncle sent me to come and call you. We have to wait. It's very serious. It's not...
Let's go
very
immediately.
serious. You people have to come with me.
Let's go.
Bring it.
Don't tell me you want to give up. Don't.
Go home this minute before you offend gods with your thoughts and words of blasphemy.
The two maidens in there won't come out. I don't know what they are performing inside that place. Is the problem. What's going on?
I want everyone in that room to come out, except the mother and her newborn baby.
What is the matter? What is it? What is the matter? Tell me, what is it?
The worst has happened.
How are both of them? Are they okay? Are they okay? It's okay, it's okay. You have to be strong. You have to be a man. You have to be a man. Yes. You are a strong man. This is the time you prove that you are actually a strong man. Yes. I am strong. It's okay. I am very strong. What is the matter, Odo?
Both mother and child died. They died in my presence. I feel the gods are against me.
Your uncle's second wife, newly born child. And the only child they had.
I should have known this from the time of her birth. But her wizardry could only blind me spiritually. Yes, when she could not kill me, she killed her parents. And when she could not kill me, she killed my wife and my newly born baby. My heart is broken. And she is going to face the consequences of her action. You will face it, Odo! You will! Face it!
Uncle, are you insinuating that I am responsible for the death of your wife and newborn child?
Even the gods knows that you are empty. You will never go scot-free, Odo. You will never. You killed my wife. You killed my newly born child. I will never forgive you. I will not. Now you have made me a childless man, Odo. You've made me a childless man, Odo. What have I done to you, Odo? What have I?
I have never felt this much betrayal all my life. Everyone around me has given up on me. The gods have done more harm than good to me. Where did I go wrong? Who did I offend? Where did I go wrong with nature?
Biabasi. I'm broken. Oh, gods of vengeance. I am only but just a superhuman. I cannot do what the gods are capable of doing. Please, I need vengeance. I need vengeance! Vengeance! And vengeance!
This message is from DFR to Odo. This is a message from DFR to Odo. You have been summoned. You are advised to appear before the shrine of Afianwan. In order to avoid the wrath of the gods, you have to come with me now.
Your guilt and innocence cannot be ascertained until you appear before the shrine. The gods are waiting. Don't take their patience for granted.
Why don't you perform your sacrifice? Do the rituals and summon the spirits of the dead. Let them avenge their death. Then we shall know who is responsible for the death of the mother and child.
And the cost of sacrifice,
who will bear it? Let the offenders bear it.
I am not here to teach you spiritual things. You are needed in the shrine.
You and my uncle want me to appear before the gods, and not the gods. Why don't we perform our rituals individually?
Then vengeance and purification will reign.
Ayuto sarimpe, era monga yere rando mebo, eyen min kaman pong. Ayuto sarimpe, era monga yere rando mebo, eyen min kaman pong.
Adam. Ami. Nkere. Etam. Okun. Ifyam. So for your young, I'll give it to you. Just give me that chance, a little chance. Adam. Just allow me. Oh, Eddie, Mukuridem, Muten. Hell, Mokuyang, Kuya, problem. Don't allow this to pass me by. Please.
Etam, this our village is a very small place. And I am scared.
Leave the village, leave the people in it. Oh, we did so far today, you are with me.
For more than 1 minute, Adam, go be me. But what would people say?
Who are the people? Leave people. Leave people, Adam.
I won't. From one woman to the other. Odo is there. And you're coming to approach me. What do you want me to do? I don't want anybody to sabotage my name in this village.
Nobody is sabotaging your name. Betty say, color for you, color me. Your color and mine matches. You can imagine. This love will be sweet. Oh, Adam, tell me you don't love me. Tell me.
No. It still doesn't matter. Omodion, do the right thing, and okay. I will come.
Leave that to me. I'm the man here, okay?
There are people that their boldness and courage disappears when it should appear fully. Etim, you are not the king. And I'm not afraid to look at you in the face and say the bitter truth the way it should be said. Your continuous refusal to see Odo is actually an act of betrayal.
Ayo, let me ask you.
Go ahead.
What is your business in my affairs with Odo? I don't understand.
I am concerned because you left her when she needed you the most. You disappeared.
My friend, if Odo falls in the classes, all categories of the ladies you so desire, Ayo, go for her. Go for her. And stop looking for who to gossip about. What is it?
Life is different from death. Everyone wants to live, but no one wants to die. Though death is inevitable. Uma, the late wife of my uncle. As no one can see the contents in this egg through its shell, so as no one being able to tell the circumstances surrounding your death. But if I am responsible for your death, as I am holding this egg, let it remain unbroken. But if I am not, and I am being wrongly accused, let this egg be broken and the contents spilled, so shall the truth be made known. The newly born child of my uncle. I am sorry your life was cut short. They couldn't let you venture into the world to fulfill your mission. I know your heart is filled with anger, with pain and vengeance. If I am responsible for your untimely demise, let this egg I am holding remain unbroken. But if I'm being wrongly accused, let it be broken, so that the truth surrounding your death shall be made known as its contents spilled and dropped, touched to the earth. Let the substance that has touched the earth flare up your anger and vengeance upon your killers. And let the same substance vindicate the wrongly accused.
Greetings. I know we have lost two people, your wife and your newly born child. But that won't stop me from saying the truth.
What truth?
The truth about their death. Look, if you want these things to be done properly in spiritual ways, which is actually the right way it should be, you will actually have to look for solutions on how you lost your wife and your newly born child. It's very simple. All you need is just one hen and a tuber of yam, and you will know who killed your son and your wife. And also the revenge that will come afterwards against whoever killed them. There's actually a message I have for Efa. But now that I have seen you on this road, I believe she will get the message.
I am all ears.
Good. Now tell Efa that she should not proceed with any ritual findings concerning the death of the woman and the newly born child. The gods have received enough sacrifices, and very soon they will actually reveal the person behind their death.
Who are you?
I am the 4th generation of Itiaba, native doctor.
That has not answered my question.
I just did that. Tell Efa that in the next 7 days, the gods will not only reveal who is behind the death of the woman and the newly born child, but the gods will also punish whoever did that act. Tell her that.
And whosoever is responsible for this will die of a swollen stomach, leaking from both ends of their body. Because I know that Odo is responsible for this. She is responsible for this. She will never go scot-free. It's a promise. She will die of swollen stomach, leaking from both ends of her body.
As directed by the gods.
Oh, the gods.
Yeah.
That reminds me. Let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Why didn't you heal yourself when you were very sick until Odo's attention was called from the bush to come and help you? Why? Tell me.
Time and season. It wasn't my time. But now the mantle has been released upon me. Are you ready for the sacrifice?
Okay. Sorry. Yes. Wait
okay.
for me here. Let me get the items.
No problem. I'm here.
Well, take it from me. You take it from me. I should go. Talk to the boss.
Eddie, you're fine.
That's it, dear.
I'm fine, you're welcome.
Oh,
How are things going with you?
my dear, I'm fine, itching very soon about what I heard about Asoko and his late brother's daughter, Udu. No one seems to differentiate between truth and lies.
Ufan, all what you heard about that girl called Udu is the truth.
Yes! Atamapaniko.
Yes! A child that killed her mother before she came out from the womb. And even killed her father with her witchcraft powers. Just of recent, she killed her uncle's wife with a newborn baby. So what more evidence do you want?
But why would she kill an innocent child who has not offended her?
To test the potency of the power she brought back from which she came from. She went to test the power she brought back.
You did not see me today. If anyone asks you if you've seen me, tell the person you did not see me.
Where are you going to now?
I'm in Yom Keninambo.
You didn't say anything bad.
Why will you know all the stories in this village?
Who doesn't know? Who doesn't know, fam? Who grew away your kid on your man? You married what?
Oh, thanks so.
Don't mean but.
I forget Amo or Yom Kamo.
Get the phone.
I don't want to. What about?
Adam, I was even coming to your house. I was even coming to see you. Why did you run out like that? Huh? Adam, I don't want any story that is related to Ako again. I don't need the anger of the gods. I can't stand her.
See, Adam, shortly after I left you, I saw something I don't know. Crossing from the other side of the road to the other side. The face is like hen and yam and in human body. Your house is not safe.
Come and stay in my house.
Your house is not safe. See, Adam, I'm going to say, I'm going to say, oh man, no, you didn't want to do for me. You didn't want to do this. But
I think I'll follow you to your house.
Uncle, please. Uncle, I beg you, hear me out. Please hear me out.
What is it? Odo, what is it? Why are you following me all about? Why are you following me? What is it?
Uncle, I know everyone in this village believes I am responsible for the death of your newborn child and wife. But believe me, I am not. I do not have a hand in their death. I have called upon the gods to take vengeance on anyone who is responsible. And I believe
that vengeance will be upon your head for your evil acts, Odo. Odo, you know that you and I are the only two people left in this family. In my trial to look for a child, I had to go and marry another wife after the first one left without giving me a child. Now, you killed.
Why? I swear by the gods, I didn't kill them. I have never killed before, and
Odo, my wife and unborn child were alive until you asked everyone to leave the room. And shortly after you entered, my wife died. Odo, why? Odo, why did you kill them? Why did you do this?
Uncle, please.
So this is how the gods have been enjoying. The gods have eaten. And even the ones who were not available during the feast to eat have eaten on their behalf. When I defecate, they will eat theirs from there.
Come, my arms are widely open to receive you.
I thought this will not lead to what I'm not ready for.
No, certainly not.
Yeah.
He that dances when no one beats the drum, you have no legs to dance when the drummers start beating the drum.
I don't understand.
Same way you will not understand how the anger of the gods will come. I stop every form of sacrifice as you advise concerning Asukwo's wife and dead child. You call for the gods and they are waiting.
That woman, I don't know, but she just keeps disturbing my life.
Hey yo, it is not what you think. I'm telling you. Sooner or later, you will tell me.
Let's go inside.
Go where? Go where?
Will you now allow this small thing that just happened here to ruin the whole moment we're supposed to have?
What is the matter with you, my love? Is it about...
Don't call me your love. For you to open your arms to receive me, it is forbidden until...
Until what?
Until you end all you have to do with that Odo girl. Etem, me, I don't want a problem. Etem, see, I can boast of physical strength. But you see spiritual strength with Odo. Not to talk of taking what belongs to her. So please.
My mother of it. I have told you countless times that I don't have anything to do with, what's even her name? Odo. I don't. I even sent a message to her through on my phone to go there and tell her that I don't want to have anything to do with her in this life. I don't.
Was he you there when you both started? Was he there? See, Etem, until you are man enough to differentiate between what you want and what you don't, and me, Adam, I will not give you any respect.
I'm saying now.
This is not what I am thinking. What kind of problem is this? please, what kind of punishment is this? Ah! Oh! Hey! Oh! 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 Oh, you come out, come out, come out! Ah! Oh! Oh! Wait, you.
Ayo, you should have told me you're not coming rather than keeping me waiting all day. What is all this, eh?
I'm sorry. I am sorry. I've been having serious stomach pains.
Moyankompo, always looking for lies to justify your actions.
Oh. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I'm not. See, you can go and wait for me. You can go and wait for me. I'll come and join you there later.
Ayo, anyone in Ginkobo do kill before? Woyo, Ayo, is that not the sound of hen from your stomach?
I don't know. I don't know.
Ayo. Ayo, make your moon.
I don't know what this one is crying inside my stomach. Oh, go to Pala. What did I even? What is all this now?
Holiday. What is this? Holiday. What is it? Where are you taking me to? Move. Move to where? Move. Leave me alone. Move. Leave me alone. What did I do? Move. Leave me, please. Leave me alone. Move. Please. Move. Leave me alone. I said move. Leave me alone. I didn't do anything. I said move. Uncle!
Is this all wickedness?
What happened to my uncle? Uncle, what is wrong with you?
Stop sharing crocodile tears. You have to face the consequences of your evil.
What is wrong with him?
He can't talk and he can't also hear. Let me tell you, further instruction from the king. After bringing you to see the level of your wickedness against your uncle, he ordered us to take you to the palace prison and wait for further decision. Let's go!
Please. Uncle!
I say move!
Uncle! No. I didn't do anything. I'm innocent. Leave
Let's get down there first.
I'm a bassy.
Hey, this matter is getting worse. If Odo of all people could be arrested by the palace warriors, it means someone like me is not safe anymore. Who will help me to remove this hand from my belly? Who will? Gods of our land, is it a crime? Am I the first person to eat hand that does not belong to me? Just this one time, I just decided to eat my own share and... Oh.
Go inside. I'm innocent. I didn't do anything.
Quiet!
I didn't do anything.
Quiet!
So you couldn't hold this your running mouth? This your wagging tongue in silence?
I don't understand.
Ako, calm down. What is the problem?
Ufan, calm down. Let me handle this idiot. This fool, whose so-called boyfriend is pregnant with an hand in his stomach, coming to blab with Adama.
I thought you said it was a secret and she asked you not to tell anyone.
That was bad.
It's okay, eh?
Ako.
Relax.
Moko. That was how a hen was inside your stomach. Why are you like this?
Listen, you haven't seen shame yet. Huh? Yes, because I warned you. I warned you, but you wouldn't listen.
I thought I trusted you.
No, don't do this. A train one. Do a thing like that.
But I only discussed it with you now. Look at the way she embarrassed me. You should have allowed me to break her face.
Ako would have just picked you up. This is a get you change.
Ako, Ami, Adam.
Good evening. Good evening. I'm a stranger in this land. I'm looking for someone. I'm looking for Odo's house. She's
Don't worry yourself about explaining. I know her. Oh, but this one you're looking for, I hope all is well.
Oh, no. That's no problem. She's my friend. She has spent a lot of time in my village, so I promise I'll come and see her. That's what I'm doing.
Okay. But there are some things I will have to explain to you before taking you to where she is.
this village is about to turn upside down. Should anything happen to Odo, did you hear that again?
Of course I heard it loud and clear.
Hey.
But
Hey. Like I was saying, currently as I speak to you, her uncle is lying helplessly in the house. And he can't even hear what anyone says. Or neither can he speak. Please. The matter is complicated.
Please, eh? But where exactly is Odo? Eh? Where exactly is she?
She is in the king's prison. Since she was taken hostage by the king's guard, she has been in the king's prison, waiting for the king and his cabinet to decide what her fate will be like.
Please, you need to help me. I want to see her. I need to see her, please. You have to help me, please.
That is not possible. That is not possible at all. Unless...
Where are those stones coming from?
Udo, Udo, don't worry, I'm here for you. Udo, don't worry, I'm here for you. Okay, it's okay. I'm okay.
The end is feeding on the yam in your stomach. Return what belongs to the gods, or else you will die with a swollen stomach, and no one will touch your corpse wherever you will die. traveled in the spirit and communicated with the gods. You have a message, so deliver it.
Asukwo, 2 years ago, after you got married to your second wife, you went to the shrine of Mpo and demanded for a child against your destiny, which was surrounded by childlessness. You accepted the condition that after the born of the newborn baby, that you will sacrifice a fowl to the gods who give you the child. But no, you did not do that. After several signs, you were overwhelmed by the joy of the arrival of the newborn baby. They took the newborn baby, and in shock, the mother joined the child to the land of the dead. That's... Will you? If I'm mentioning this, will you?
Odo is innocent.
Me too. I have a confession. I actually lied that I was called by the gods, and I also lied that my grandfather was a native doctor, and I defrauded Asukwa here of his tuber of yam and hen, promising him I was going to do a sacrifice to the gods, but I ate it. And now the hair has been crying in my stomach. People have to help me. The hair has been crying. People have to help me. Oh.
In order to cleanse my heart of the agony caused by this tragedy, I demand that the stranger who has been locked up in the palace prison be released. Akpan, the stranger, shouldn't stay longer than this. Else his people would declare war against us. And when...
Thank you so much. Thank you for being by my side.
Thank you for coming to my village. Your seed has grown in me. I'm pregnant.
I'm so glad that I came. I promised myself never to let you out of my sight again. I want to stay with you to protect you forever. Today is indeed a special day for us, and this is the right place to do this. Please be my wife. Be my wife, please.
Hakan,
be my wife, please.
Hakan, please get up. Stand up. Come up. You don't have to kneel. I have accepted you in my heart a long time ago. Right from the first time our paths crossed. I knew we were meant to be together because you are a good man. I'll be the old man.
It is your destiny. Yours is indeed beyond the well-looks of humans.
Uncle, it's okay. I have forgiven you. Please, meet Akbar.
Stand up, stand up.